everybody, and welcome to Talk to the Expert. Today we have with us Kesh who is a partner with Elite Mentoring, Auckland and New Zealand-wide mentoring services. Kesh, property mentoring. We wanted to talk to you about your service, and we wanted to know, how do you help people to succeed in property? What's the strategy you teach them, and how are you different from the competitive in the market?
Thank you for the interview, Hada. Look, first of all, Elite Mentoring, we decided to form Elite Mentoring because we wanted to have a mentoring company that is actually quite exclusive and elite in that respect. I'm a chartered accountant by profession, and David Whitburn is a barrister and a solicitor at the High Court. So, lawyer and accountant together, we've actually got all the legal and accounting issues covered, and align that with our current portfolios, etc. Puts us at a leading edge. Basically, the way we're different is a lot of the advice, etc., that we're giving are strategies that are actually being done in the current market by ourselves. And we have got some amazing results achieved for our students, and we've got great testimonials. Every person or everyone that I've mentored, I know they've actually gone ahead and done very, very well, and the results speak for itself. We do teach strategies that are current in the market. We're not teaching stuff that was working 2 years ago. We're talking about strategies that are actually working now and that are evolving and actually working in the current market. It's a hot market at the moment. We'll tell you, which properties do we buy to hold, to do up, to sell, for example, to trade, or to use to increase equity so that you can actually buy further properties. What strategies are we using? How are we dealing with banks? How can we actually settle 2 or 3 properties when a lot of people just buy 2 properties in their lives? So it's all about elite strategies that are working in the current market, and we are not a mass mentoring company. We are fairly selective about the people we deal with. We want people to take action, and that's backed up by guarantees that we give that there's certain equity level that you will be achieving. Otherwise, we'll give you money back. That's how confident we are in our product and our package. You for the mentoring that you do with us, you will get exclusive use of our time, obviously a defined time, and then you'll have leading market knowledge booklets, etc., that we've prepared based on our knowledge, etc., to take away. There's a lot of tutorials or homeworks that you need to do to get yourself up to play, so that when you're out there actually hunting for deals, etc., you've got templates and metrics that you need to go by to make sure you're ticking the boxes. Otherwise, we wouldn't want you to be looking at that particular deal. It's all about, I guess, your desire to move ahead, and you're obviously doing something financially for yourself or for your family, and we believe your investment is important, and you need to get a return on investment, and for that you will get a state-of-the-art mentoring program that is actually working in the current market, and we actually look at our program to revise it and cut it and color it and edit it to make sure it fits with the current market strategy, so that it's a win-win for both, for yourself and for us, seeing that you are successful. So that's pretty much what we do mentoring wise. There are 2 key packages we promote. One is a group mentoring, which is probably a bit less hands-on. I think it's once every 2 weeks. We'll run those programs where it's more like a group session that you share time with the mentoring personnel. And you'll have our key booklet that'll have all the various chapters, etc., and the various topics that you take away, do homework on, and you become better, and you learn different strategies. And then the other is the one-on-one elite mentoring, where you've actually got either myself or David Whitburn as your key elite mentors to spend exclusive time with you, to handhold you and to take you through auctions, take you through viewings of properties, highlight to you the pros and cons of the property checklist, etc. Our special 10-year growth plan on properties. It's like an application software that we use to predict property values, etc. So it's all about building equity and wealth for yourself. Look, that's what elite mentoring is all about.